This is the new King's Cross development. This is in St Pancras, and this is where people are hanging out. Something about water and a little bit of sun draws everybody out. People are hanging out and buying what they want and having a look. Guys doing pizzas, tacos, there's a band. So come with us and we'll just walk around and have a look and see what's going on. How cool is this? Juices, get anything you want. Yeah, so I get back to London and I'm finding things. Ooh, look at this. How lovely is this looking? Oh, that does look beautiful. Look at this.
Doesn't it? Look at that.
Oh, look, there she is. Oyster lady, huh? Yeah, so King's Cross. You want to hang out and have something to eat? This could be the place to come. Ooh. Before you watch this video, do you know that 88% of you do not subscribe to my channel? Now to help me, press the click button, subscribe. It just gives me that, shows me your appreciation, you like the video. Because I guarantee it's going to be something you like. Or look at my playlist, there's bound to be something. King's Cross area now has become the new boom. All these lovely lights. Can you imagine this at night, guys, when everybody's out eating and chilling? So many places to eat, so many different types of food. Yeah, I'll try and show you as much as I possibly can, but if not, get down here, King's Cross, come out the back of the train station and it's there. Rack up your bike. Look at that, look inside, how nice is that? Look at this, nice bike shop, Via, lovely. And then if you really fancy it, you buy yourself a little apartment. It's a new style of living.
Every man cinema.
It's a very unusual building here. And right up in the distance, just departing is the Eurostar, off to Paris. So you walk around and then just above your head is all these little mirrors. Now I know there's a lot of you who like locks. And there's a lock there to the end. So if you want to see how a lock operates and you've never seen it before, get King's Cross, come down and you'll see a couple of barges go through as they open them up and let the water in. Very peaceful, very nice thing to do. Maybe rent yourself one. I think I will, and there will be a video on one of them. First time me renting a barge. I'm gonna do it. Stay tuned to this channel and you're gonna see us. You heard me say it. Stay tuned to this channel. I'm gonna rent a barge, gonna go out, maybe a couple of days, it might be a week, but I'm gonna do it. I want you to come with us. Stay tuned. So you heard it there first. I'm gonna do that. So as I said, King's Cross has got a lot to show you. See, when you come here, it's all going off. You got people doing everything, trying things, doing things, entertaining themselves. Yeah, me here with all these people behind, as you can see. And you've even got these guys doing a little dance routine. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. See, it all happens here. It all happens here. You should go down here and have a look and see what's going on and have some of the smells and sights. Booze. So come out, check it out. It's bound to be something you like.
And maybe she sees it that way. Sure. Like.
Them buns look good. Ooh. Telling you, get amongst it. Oh, these look good. It looks good. It looks good. See, see the sound, the sound, the smell. It looks good.
This is the best one.
This is the best one.
Yes.
All right, you heard it there. You see, from these guys, this is the best one. I'm coming back. All right. Woo. Look. Now I normally do coffee. This is different. Vietnamese coffee. Okay. Condensed and evaporated combo. Okay. Do you want one?
I might try one of those.
Okay. So what you looking at?
Which one?
So the coffee that we just spoke about, this one is a Robusta drip coffee from Vietnam, which we serve with condensed and evaporated milk.
Okay.
So it's a strong, sweet coffee.
Yes.
Very smoky, honey flavor from the bean itself. Our best seller is actually the Thai milk tea. So this is a Thai Assam black tea. Also quite strong, but it has a vanilla kind of like smooth, more creamier mouthfeel
Okay.
texture. The base is also condensed and evaporated.
Right. So if you were gonna go, you'd go down that road, right? Yeah,
I'm very cheeky. I go with this one because
this
I
one.
get both.
Oh.
Crazy. I just want everything.
Thai milk tea plus coffee.
Yeah, so extra kick. If you
But,
want.
but is that the same kind of
It's
smoky?
the same coffee. It's just we add it with the tea. So the tea itself is more on the sweeter side. With the coffee, it just adds that depth and a little bit bitter sweetness.
Yeah.
I prefer something less sweet.
Yes.
So I think
No,
it's
that
just
makes
a good
sense.
addition
Yes.
to it.
Oh, I'm going to try the mixed one then, please. Yes.
There you go.
Do you want anything?
Well, no, I'll have a little sip of yours.
I'll try one of those. Yes, thank you. Let's go for it.
She's going for everything, so here you
That's the
go.
way. Saturday, sunny day, you know.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's true.
Just gotta do whatever makes you happy. A day like this. There you go. I'm just gonna
Thank you.
get your drink.
Okay, thank you very much.
Would you like to taste it?
I'm gonna try it.
Try it.
See,
Lovely.
I've got some miso. Oh my god, that is real good.
Savory sweet just
Yeah.
it really hits the spot.
That is
Yeah.
real good.
The butter
Tell me.
suddenly comes on you.
Check that cake. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, I can see that.
There's a straw. Bye. And I'm holding it. And you know, I'm gonna have to try it. It's very sweet, guys, but I'm gonna try it. So, me. Ooh. Ooh. For those of you who like sweet, it's great.
It's lovely.
It's real good, but that's your sugar level gone up. But you know something? Just a little bit from time to time wouldn't hurt you. So there you are.
From Midnight Pantry.
Midnight Pantry. And there they are. Midnight Pantry. Check it out. So much to see. What's this? Another coffee place? Look at this guy. Look, 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 look. See that? Look, look, look. He's sharing the love.
Spreading the love. Pass that one for me.
Definitely. I'm going to come back though.
I'll be waiting.
All right. And if you want your vinyl, for those of you who haven't looked at my channel, I have a vinyl selection. Look at this. Vinyl shop. How you doing, sir? Like the hair. Look at that. All out there. Just love it. Japanese curry.
Yeah. Beef original, chicken mild, red lentil. It's nice.
Yeah. And they've got all the little merch. Are you here every day?
Not every day, but
Well, what-
almost every day. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all going on around here.
The easiest thing.
Hello. She's making a little bouquet up there. There you go. Thank you. This is it. Check this place out. It's got this, guys. And there's a lot going on. Come check it out. Got all of your things that you want. Food, places to see, things to do, things to see, places to stay. It's very nice. And yeah, so we'll keep walking. I've got this little bit here, which I've just been down. And there's so much to eat down there. Honestly, if I hadn't had my lunch, I'd have been down there, guys. But I will be back. King's Cross has a lot to offer. So for those of you who haven't been here and want to see something different, get to King's Cross, walk around, have a look, see what you think. Loads of places to eat, loads of things to do, drink, eat, shopping. You can shop. Pretty much all the brands, all the shops are here. So check it out, see what you think, have a look. And if you like the video, you give a thumbs up. And if you don't, there might be something in the video that you did enjoy. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.